Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you another website for getting free API key and credits. It's called as LLM7.io. If you go to the website, I've also given the link in the description. So it's a unified LLM API for different AI models, and you can simply check out their landing page right here. A fully fleshed example is also given. I will simply copy this example. It's inside Python. This makes it easy for you to actually execute this. So I will paste this code and directly show how to get the API key. So once you do that, you click on get free API key and you just sign up using your Google account. It's very easy. And after you authenticate, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So right here, click on add API key and simply copy this API key to clipboard, and right here inside this example we paste this API token directly. So we are simply calling tell me a short story about brave squirrel, and it's using the default model. So we go to the terminal, directly execute this Python script right here. It will make the API call to the backend API. I have given the link of this website in the description of the video. You can go to this. And once you execute this, in the meantime, let me show you. This is how you get the very simple interface. This is the dashboard area. You can upgrade to a pro subscription as well for more API access. Just $12 of month. You click on subscribe and then you can check out. But we are inside on the free plan. So as you can see, the API returned this response to us, a story about squirrel. It returned the professional looking response, and in this easy way you can even integrate through a extension called as RuCode. I have installed this extension, so this makes it easy for you to run API models directly inside VS Code. So you go to the configuration section, select from here OpenAI compatible inside API provider, and directly copy these things such as the base URL, and then you paste the API key. This is the second way by which you can run this API directly through VS Code. In the background, it's using the latest models such as Claude, Opus, Gemini, Quen, DeepSeek. As you pasted the API key, then you simply in the model section, if it is not appearing, then there is also a second extension which is CLINE, CLINE. This also does the same thing. You open AI compatible, paste your API key, then your base URL, and then you write the model name which is default. Click on done. Simply send this request. It's a very simple API, very fast. The interface dashboard area is also very simple, not complex at all. Right here, all the usage will directly show here how much tokens requests you have made. So we have made 2 requests, 734 tokens have been consumed. So it directly shows you. It's very transparent website API. So So I'm using it for past 6 months, so that's why I decided to make the video on this. So LLM7.io. So you can see the API returned the response to us. Let me just tell it to create an application, build a image to PDF, create complex app. Just write the code. Don't run it. So simply send the request right here. We want a image to PDF professional looking application. I'm telling it to create an index.html file inside the root directory, and don't run the applications. Just generate the code, and now this will start generating the code here. So you will see now the API will start generating the code for us through this extension. Automatically we'll start writing the code. So in this easy way, you can use this API. For the very first time, it will take some time to run. So the process will remain the same. It's very simple API. Definitely check this out.